Hello, it's Thursday, the 1st of September 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar strengthened against the major currencies after the ADP Nonfarm Employment Change came out 91,000 worse than expected, 109,000, sending investors to seek security in the dollar. US stock markets closed positive, sending the Dow Jones up by 0.56% and the NASQAQ by 0.13%. Crude oil fell by 0.1% and closed at $88.81 a barrel. Gold once again traded above $1,800 to close at $1,831.70 an ounce. Today, initial jobless claims is expected at 409,000 versus 417,000 previously, and the ISM Manufacturing Index at 48.50 versus 50.90 previously. The euro fell against the US dollar after the unemployment rate came out 10% worse than the expected 9.90%. Breaking support of 143.50 might push the pair lower to 142.70. Otherwise, a rebound back to 144.40 is possible. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.56 and a high of 144.68. Today, German GDP is expected at 0.10% unchanged, and the manufacturing PMI also unchanged at 49.70. The pound fell against the US dollar after it failed to breach 163.30. Breaking the support area of 162 might push the pair lower to 161.30. Otherwise, a rebound back to 164.80 is possible. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 162.29 and a high of 163.33. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected at 49.50 versus 49.10 previously. The yen weakened against the US dollar, reaching nearly 77. If the pair fails to break this resistance, it might fall again to 76. Not much is expected from this pair, as it's been capped in a tight range for more than a fortnight. Unless we see the pair breaking the 76 lows or breaching the 77 highs, we might expect this pair to hold this range for another extended period. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.55 and a high of 76.91. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the CAD, the Canadian dollar, fell versus the US dollar, even though crude oil posted significant gains on speculation US policymakers will support the economy if it deteriorates. GDP came out 0.20% better than the expected 0.10%. Breaking the critical support level of 0.9770 might extend the pair's decline. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9774 and a high of 0.9785. Today, no data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.